Hey friends, if you wish to install Google Maps on your Windows PC, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So go to maps.google.com and hit enter. Do this on the Microsoft Edge browser, not on any other browser. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select more tools, wait, three dots at the top right corner, more tools, apps, and then install Google Maps. Click on install and then you can select this option for create desktop shortcuts and then allow. Okay, and you'll get the shortcut on your desktop as well, and you can obviously search for it in the Windows search bar and open Google Maps. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.